Hey there, Licknriffers! Guess what I'm holding in my hands right now? I am holding the future of electric guitars. This guitar isn't plugged into anything because it has its own amp. And before I show you how beautifully this guitar sounds, I want to tell you about how this guitar feels. First of all, this is a spectacular guitar. The floating bridge is one of the smoothest and best feeling floating bridges that I have experienced and owned so far. It's beautiful. It comes with many colors. I wanted the rose gold. And this is a carbon fiber guitar. This is one piece, okay? And it's just a fantastic guitar. It comes expertly set up. There's no buzzing whatsoever, nowhere. Okay, expertly set up. It's super comfy. The action is perfect, and it also has its own foot switch. Okay, we'll get to that later. So the first thing you'll notice is the LED lighting comes up, and you have 4 sound slots. You have green, you have blue, you have bright blue, and you have purplish, pinkish purple or purplish pink. However you view the world. So obviously the first one is see how responsive it is? It's just beautiful and just I love the smoothness of the floating bridge. It's one of the best floating bridges I've ever played. Yeah, and you have 5 positions. You have 2 single pickups, and you have a humbucker as well. And you see, you get more twank the more you go towards the humbucker, obviously. Now, I created my own sounds. I chose the amp modeling and everything. Your taste might differ. I created the second sound to be this ethereal, chorusy, chorusy, this delay-ish chorus ethereal sound. The third one is clean distortion without any reverb, any delay. Just now, and the last one, obviously, I added the delay. And so on. So on and so forth. You can just have so much fun with this guitar. You can just take this guitar outside as it is, and you have an amp with you. You can just walk down the street and play, and play heavy metal or and I don't know. I'm having so much fun. This is what my fingers want to play when I play this guitar the because the setup is so perfect, and this is so buttery smooth. It just comes perfectly set up, and I just love the floating bridge. I just fell in love with it. So all I want to do is play fast stuff on this guitar. Even though obviously you can, you can play the regular. Just love distorting the sound. So let's go for the app. So you turn the Bluetooth on, and what you do is you search for your guitar, which is the Inspire, okay, and your own color as well, and you connect. Okay, here it is, not connected. Here it is, now it's connected. So look at what's going on when I start playing with the sound. Okay, you have the 4 positions, you see, and it changes on my guitar as well. Okay, it changes the color on my LED lighting. Now you have the mixer as well. You have different tools, and you have the settings. You can turn on the auto shutdown, and you can factory reset, but the presets are the greatest thing of all because you can change them. Okay, so if we edit, you see you have different amps, you have different modeling. Okay, and you can turn on the pedals and whatnot. You can change and let's see this one. Okay, you can change, you can play with everything basically. I don't want to change anything. I just want to show you you can change the mode as well. Speaker mode, you can basically you can control every little thing here. And I also want to show you the Footswitch. Okay, it says Inspire right here. You charge it with a Type-C USB cable as well as the guitar, same thing. Now you turn it on by you can just turn it on, basically. You don't have to. Okay, now it's searching for the guitar, and it has found my guitar. You need to press these 2 buttons for pairing. Now it's paired. So you see, now Footswitch. Okay, now distortion. Now clean. Okay, so you can just enjoy a guitar with its own Footswitch, and you can create feedback if you want. Again, no delay, with delay. And that's just my personal choice, my personal sound. Your expertise in sound modeling and building might be far better than mine. This guitar is so versatile, and that's why it's called the Inspire. By the way, even if you change it here, okay, it changes on the Footswitch. Everything is connected. That's the world we're living in right now. Remember what I said at the beginning? I said I am holding the future. Amps, we don't need no stinking amps. All we need is inspiration. And that's what... Yeah, I have too much feedback, so here I lower the... And it took care of it. Creating whatever you feel like at the moment. No need for cables, no need for any external, you have the Footswitch, and it's nice, But if you're just walking down the street, you can hold it here and just click it with your elbow or something. But basically, what I find most impressive about this guitar is its build quality. Okay, because there are many, many, many smart guitars out there right now, and not all of them are smart. Most of them are gimmicky, and most of them are just toys. This is an actual guitar. Again, this is one of the most buttery smooth guitars that I've played, and it came expertly set up. It's comfy. It's heavy, by the way. It's not light at all. It's just as heavy as a wooden guitar. And again, the best thing for me is this floating bridge. This is a premium floating bridge. This is the smoothest floating bridge that I've played, at least recently. I didn't expect such a fun and versatile floating bridge. I just love this guitar. So thank you, Enya. Keep inspiring us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Have fun.